Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today in this video we are going to learn a very beautiful technique given by Master Osho. So this technique is very simple, and by using this technique you can meditate anywhere, anytime. So what happened, many time I ask people to practice meditation, to do meditation, it will give you so many benefits, and people said like, yeah, I want to do meditation, I know all the benefits, I actually really want to do the meditation, but what can I do? I don't have time, I have family, I have children, I have job, I am not free from morning to night, I just go to the bed and sleep, I don't have any time to practice meditation. So what happened? People think that meditation is just sitting, you have to take time for the meditation and you sit in a particular place and you close your eyes and then you do some kind of mantra chanting, some kind of breathing, any kind of, there are so many kind of meditation is there, and people think that they have to take separate time for the meditation. But no, my dear friends, after learning this technique, from today, from now onward, you can start meditation from this particular moment. So what is this technique? This technique is very simple. What is in our body which is continuously moving? It is our breath. Because of our breath we are alive, we have this life. If you hold your breath for 3-4 minutes you will die definitely. So we are bringing our awareness to our breath. Normally our awareness, our attention going always out, and from outside we are bringing our attention to our nostrils, to our natural and normal breathing. Suppose you are looking in the mobile, our awareness is going to the video, to whatever we are watching in the mobile, but now we have to take our awareness from this point, from here to this point. So just this much distance you have to cover. So you are just bringing your awareness on your nostril, the natural going, incoming and outgoing breath. This is the technique. So where you can practice morning after waking up, you can practice when you are in your bed, you can practice this technique. When you are going to the toilet, you can practice there. When you are brushing your teeth, you can practice there. When you are taking bath, you can practice there. When you are eating your breakfast, you can practice there. When you are going to your office or school or anywhere, you are sitting on the laptop, that time you can practice this. It is not like you have to practice continuously for 1 hour. Just 10-20 seconds you practice, you bring your awareness from outside world to yourself. Then slowly this technique will give you so many benefit, because you are using the same method in your day-to-day activity, from your waking up to going to the bed, different activity, you are just bringing your awareness again and again to your breath. So this is the technique. So in the beginning many times you will get forget. Whenever you start practicing this technique, you practice now, because I am speaking to you, you are listening to me, you can practice now, but after 1 hour you again forget, 2 hours you forget. So I can suggest you to make a reminder in your mobile. You can make a reminder that every 1 hour or half hour this kind of beep like bell will come, and whenever you hear this bell, you bring your awareness back to your nostril, just incoming and outgoing breath. And you can also make something like notes. You can write breath, just writing breath, and stick on your wall or anywhere in your living place, in your office, whenever you find any space, just little like a sticker or something, you write breathing there and you paste, you just paste on the wall or anywhere, wherever you can see, in your bathroom you can paste. And whenever you see that breathing there, the written breathing there, you bring again your awareness to your breath. So there are some different like awareness technique. You can use your mobile, you can use any gadgets, there are so many things available now to remind you back to coming to your body, to your breath. And by this technique you can feel really this bring really real happiness in your life. You are becoming like more aware to yourself. You are becoming more aware to your breathing, your emotions, and slowly this technique will go deeper into yourself, and then it will become the part of your life. So the very simple technique given by the Master Osho, but we never try to implement this technique in our life. So from today onward, no excuse. You are making so many excuses to not practice meditation. So after this video, you don't have any excuse that I have no time. You have so many moments in your day-to-day activity. There are so many seconds, so many minutes available to you. You are traveling in the bus, you are traveling in the car, you are traveling by flight, you are in the train. You can practice this. You have so many hours to practice this technique. You are sitting, you are standing on the line, in ATM line, or you are going to the market and waiting your friend, somebody is coming. You can practice this technique at that time. There are so many moments. If you look at your life from morning to evening, there are so many movement of life. You can practice, you can implement this simple, very simple technique in your life. So by watching now video, you can practice now. Just you don't have to focus, you don't have to concentrate there. You just bring your awareness. You are bringing awareness from this point to this point, that the breathing is happening, and you are bringing your awareness, just bringing your awareness back to yourself. And this will give you so many things, things will start happening to you. So many people practice this technique and they know the benefit of this technique. So try to practice this technique, try to bring in your day-to-day activities. It's meditation is not like you sit for a while, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you do your activities whatever you want, but you are bringing this awareness back again and again, back to your breathing, back to yourself. Then the real meditation will start happening. So this is my message, and this was technique from the Master Osho. So start implementing, start doing this technique from today onward. Right this moment, this is the right moment to practice this technique. So bring your awareness back, bring your awareness back, bring your awareness back again and again and again and again and again. Use this life, use this opportunity, use this life given by the Mother Nature. Only we can practice meditation, only we can practice the yoga, only we can practice this pranayam. The animal can't do that. So we have this intellect. Use your intellect very nicely, very wisely. Don't go in downfall. Rise yourself. We have all the capacity, we have all the capability to rise ourselves. So try to rise yourself in the love and awareness. Try to grow yourself, and see you in the next video. Take care. Love you all. Don't forget to practice. Keep practicing. This is the simplest technique.